XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about gold against dollar. Before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe, like, press the bell notification. If you are old to the channel, then like and share. Before we start, below the video we have some links which are very crucial for you if you want to make some real money online in the long term. So you can check out these links, join free Telegram channel, check out the brokers, and if you want, you can join monthly membership and you can see all the benefits when you click on this link. And check out these things in your free time. Subscribe, like. Coming back to gold, what? USD. What did I tell you yesterday? Yesterday we were here, right? 5th of May. Yeah. I told you we're going to take down this high. I told you we're going to go for 3450. And right now we are at 341. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yesterday, I told you this candle has eaten this previous red candle. So we're going to go up, baby. And I told you we're going to go up to 3450. So we are at 3431 already. We still have potential to go for another $20, okay? Starting with the weekly approach. Weekly top-down approach, okay? So we are in the strong uptrend, pullback. We're going to go up, new high created. Daily, previous high broken, okay? Previous high broken. 4 hour, we still have to take previous high. Previous high is, this is the previous high, which was at 3484, okay? So we still have to take this 3484 and then we might take a pullback in, as per 4 hours. So if you are looking to enter and exits, as for the definition, right now, it's a bad idea to enter. As per the Forex definition, okay? Right now, I will not enter because I would have entered after this candle, okay? I told you yesterday, people who know their numbers, people who are doing gold trading, if you can manage your pips, lot size, and you have good capital amount in your trading account, okay? Enter after the close of this candle and you have made the whole fucking day profit in fucking gold, okay? Right now, I'm still saying this gold will go up to 3450 before it comes down, So if I come back to 4 hour here, in 4 hour, we might go up to 3450 or we might even go straight away for this 34880, okay? So we might straight away go for this high before we take a pullback in 4 hour. So there's a chance you can get $20, $30 extra if you enter buy right now. But I can't decide that for you, okay? So 2 hour, we're going up, okay? So what I do, I take my entries in daily chart, okay? Yesterday was the sniper entry. You entered after the close of this candle and then you take your profit at 3450. I gave you the fucking dollar number. And right now we are after, you go and watch my yesterday's video. And today here we are after 24 hours. Spot on, bang on, right? Bang on target. Whatever. Who cares? So 4 hours is what? 4 hour, we still have some chance that we can go and take out this high before we take a pullback. And you know what? If it continues the uptrend, you will take down 3580. Next target will be 3580, okay? So if this candle is closed already, if today's candle of 7th of May, closes above 3460, then we have the chance to take down 3580 as well next week or in the coming days, okay? It is too much information for free, right? Subscribe, like, and those people who entered here, they made a fortune, okay? In 4 hour, I could see that we have some potential to go until here and then pull back and then go up again, okay? So I hope you understand what I'm saying. I don't take trades every day. Hardly I take trades. Hardly I will take 3 trades, maybe 4 trades a month. 3 to 4 trades a month. And I only wait for opportunities in daily. In daily chart, you have strongest signals. Then 4 hour, and then I don't even touch 1 hour, okay? So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, and if you want some live action, because understand, these are recorded videos and when we go live in the market, that's a different thing. Okay, so you're watching the video at a different time, I'm recording it at a different time, and where we go live in trades at a different time. Okay, so if you want some live action, make sure you join the membership. And if you want to share, make sure you share the video as well, because not many people are doing it. So free, subscribe, like, do whatever. And in the end, let's make some money, or let's keep taking some money.